Hi first grade friends, it's Mrs. Silkman. Today we are going to review for just a moment about math equations that we talked about yesterday. So remember, we said that a math equation has two numbers that you're joining together, and then it will tell you how many you have in all. Ooh, I wrote that kind of funny. But remember, we talked about this symbol yesterday. Think, think, think. What did that symbol mean? Yep, if you said that symbol means same, then you are correct. So let's see if that is a true statement that I have on the board. This side I know says 5. So now I have to see if this side says 5. I'm not sure if 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I'm going to put some manipulatives out. And I have 3 rainbows and 2 rocketmen, spacemen. If I join them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lo and behold, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 equals 5. If you're still wondering about that, you might pause for a minute and practice some different equations. Maybe mom or dad or somebody in your family can give you some equations and you can decide, are they true or false? That might be a little extra something you can do today. So today, we're going to talk about a strategy. Strategies are things that help you to solve a problem easier. So we have been using lots of different little manipulatives, spacemen or the bears or unicorns or rainbows. Sometimes we just don't have the equipment. We might have our yellow counters with us or red counters with us, but it's kind of tricky when you're doing a story to try to draw it if you didn't have these manipulatives. For example, if I wanted to say, oh, I had 3 flowers plus 4 flowers, gonna have to give me a minute and hit pause. So it magically appears on here, but I had to pause in order to draw 3 flowers and 4 flowers. Now I know my equation. I have 3 on this side plus 4 on this side equals how many in all? I always start with my big number. So here's 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this time I'm not going to pause it. I can draw flowers pretty fast. Excuse me. But sometimes they have some stories that have things in it that would take a super long time. Like for me, if they said there were 3 birds in a tree, oh, if I'm going to draw a bird, it's going to take me a while to get all the little parts that I want on my bird. There's one bird. Oh my goodness. Do you guys have enough time in order to do all of my birds with me? It is taking forever. He's kind of a crazy looking bird. I'm not a perfect drawer either. How about you? Are you good at drawing pictures? Pictures can take a long time to do. There's 3 birds. Oh my goodness, that was just the first part of the story. Then, oh please don't say it, Mrs. Silkman, don't say it. 7 birds came to join. Oh, now I have to draw 7 birds. They're gonna look crazy because I'm getting tired of drawing birds and more birds and more birds. Are you getting it? Are you feeling my pain? Are you trying to draw birds too at the same time? Maybe you should try. Maybe you're good at drawing birds. Oh my goodness, I'm only at 3. I have 7 more to go. I'm getting too tired. So here's what I'm going to tell you. Drawing is for the birds. If they give you a math sentence or a math story, that you are trying to solve, instead of really drawing birds, we do something that makes it super easy. If I say I have 3 birds, I don't want to draw a bird. I'm going to draw something that I can do very quickly that represents those birds. There's bird 1, 2, and 3. Then there were 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that was so much faster. Yay! Like that strategy. Now, how many birds do I have in all? I know this number 7 because I already drew that. 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 birds in all. So today our strategy is called draw a picture. But when we draw a picture, we don't really want to draw a picture. We want to use something that represents the picture. And the quickest thing that we can draw would be a circle. So maybe you want to try it. Maybe you want to try to see if you know how to draw birds quicker than you can draw circles. Maybe you'll like the circle strategy too. Okay, so somewhere in your materials, you should have a journal that says math on it. Okay, so if you could go and find that, you are going to need that and maybe some markers or your colored pencils, whichever you choose to use. So go get those things, pause, and come back. Okay, so once you have your journal, we're going to open it up to the inside, and it should have a blank side and then lines. But we're going to turn one more page because we are going to start on this very first page. And you might use your markers. We are going to write a title at the top of our board that says our strategy that we're trying, which is draw a picture. So I'm going to write it, and then you copy it and pause. Here you go. So hit pause and copy it. I'm also going to draw 3 lines, just 2 lines, because that'll give me 3 spaces within my workplace. I'm going to use my dice again today. So what I want you to do is I want you to use your dice. That's going to help you make your equation. Here are your 2 numbers. You have a 3 and you have a 5. You're going to write an equation in the first part that says 3 plus 5 equals. But you're going to use your strategy of drawing circles. We don't want to draw bears. We don't want to draw dogs. We don't want to draw ghosts. We just want to represent them with a circle. So I'm going to put 3 circles on this side and 5 circles on this side. Then I can decide how many are there in all. 5, 6, 7, 8. Because this is representing my answer right here. I can't join them together once I have drawn them, but I don't want to draw 8 more circles over here, or that's going to give me way too many numbers. So you're going to do the same with the next 2 spaces in your journal. Roll your dice, write your numbers, your number equation, draw the circles to represent. Super fast, super easy. So that's our lesson for today, boys and girls. Have fun practicing it on your own. I hope it helps you to make equations easier. And to end our day, we have another little joke for you. Get ready. How did the puppy stop the DVD player? He used pause. Ha 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 ha. See you next time.